going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing fantastic. So the other day I did a little lesson, 3-minute lesson on Bad Moon Rising, the original version, the major version, the happy, positive version by Creedence Clearwater Revival. And this time I thought I'd do the minor version that was recently shown on Netflix Wednesday. It's super cool. It's actually, my wife said she thought it was better than the original. So let's give it a shot here. It's really cool. You don't need a capo for this one. It's in B minor, and it's got all the same words and the same pattern as the regular song, the major song, but it goes like this. I give you the chords first and I'll show you some of the picking patterns. Ready? B minor, I see an A major, G major. You can do it like that, or a regular G major, Bad Moon or Rising to B minor. I'll do chords sort of strumming first. B minor, A major, G major, B minor. I said B major, B minor. And then it goes to E minor, but if you can add this finger right here on the 3rd fret, right there on the E string. Don't go around tonight. Back to B minor, A major, G major to B minor. And that's really it. Just like the original song, it's really simple. It's very repetitive, but super cool. Now, the way that makes it special is you use some palm muting and you go, get that beat first, practice that. You're playing a, B minor. I use my thumb. Check out my lesson for how to play it with your thumb. It's the easier way. I've got a really short, easy lesson that shows how to play that. So I get these little notes where I'm going low and then high and letting those ring out a little bit. And that's the key. That note right there, the 3rd fret of the B string. So I'm just playing that B minor. So low part of the A major up to that 2nd fret right there of the A chord. Low, high of the G chord and back. Pretty cool. And then when you go to the E minor, you go low and hit the high notes right there with that 3rd fret. Back to the B minor. Now you're playing the high part of the B minor. A major, there's a bad to G. You can play it with both fingers on the 3rd fret of the E and the B strings if you want to. 3rd fret, G major to B minor. And if you want to do the A major up here, it's like a F-shaped chord. That's it. Wednesday's edition or rendition of Bad Moon Rising in minor chords. Super cool, very beautiful, and add a violin to it if you got a violin. If you can play that at the same time, you'll be rocking. All right, let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you around here for some more 3-minute guitar lessons. See ya.